welcome back. So I have another nail art collaboration for you guys. This one is with the lovely and talented BeautyB Nails. She does awesome nail art. If you love what you see on my channel, you'll love what she has in her channel. So she does nail art, hand painting, she does acrylic nails, gel nails, hauls, reviews, a little bit of everything. So her link will be down below so you guys can go check it out. So the glitter mix I am using is Summer Vibes. It's one of my custom mix I did last year, I believe. And these are the colored acrylics I am using: lemon, blueberry, and orange. And a cover that I got from PoohsGlitterCorner as well. So for the first nail, I'm using my good old dual forms to just pop it out and do my nail art on. It makes it so much easier for me. Okay, so for the first nail that I'm doing here, this is thumbnail. I'm just gonna add the glitter mix onto the center of the nail. But before I add the glitter mix, I do add a thin layer of clear acrylic, and then I go ahead and add the glitter goodies. On the tip of the nail, I add the yellow lemon colored acrylic, and then on the cuticle area, it will be the orange colored acrylic, and I do blend it towards on top of the glitter mix. So when I flip it over, you'll see that it has a little bit of color under it, the glitter mix. What I was talking about. So I don't know what happened. I guess I didn't record this part, but for the index nail I use lemon and then the glitter mix as a French tip. The middle nail is blueberry with the covered ombre, and the same as the ring fingernail as well. And then for the pinky is orange and the glitter mix as a French. So now it's time to do some nail art. So this is the image I am using as my reference for my design. Is this beautiful couple on the beach, sand, laying down, looking at each other. So for the middle nail, I start off painting the woman, and I'm painting her with a light skin color, and those are just acrylic paints I get from Walmart. I mix a little bit of brown, white, and a little bit of yellow. So I'm gonna paint out her head and her chest outline first. And for the ring fingernail, it's gonna be the guy, and I'm painting him with a little darker shade with brown mixed with a little bit of yellow and a little bit of white acrylic paint. So like I did the women, I'm outlining his head and his chest. And for him, he does and the nail is gonna fit his arms, so I'm gonna have like half of his arms sticking out, because in that picture it looked like he trying to flex. Then with a light shade of blue, this looks like a aqua blue or the Robin X, no, not the Robin X, the seafoam blue. I'm drawing in her bikini top. And for her hair color, I wanted to give her some fun color, so I gave her purple, like a neon purple hair. I just gave him good old black hair. With lighter shades of their skin tones, I water it down a little bit, and I start to go ahead and draw some contour and highlights on their skin. And with black paint, I start to outline, and this is when they come to life. And I know I didn't record when I shaded in their eyeballs in white, so I did shade their eyeballs in white. Not their literally eyeballs, but you know, the back, the space around your eyeball, you know what I mean. And I did give her red lips, and he's gonna be showing his teeth, so they will be in white, but I didn't record that part, so I'm gonna let you guys watch this outlining. One of the best to ever do it. For the index nail and the pinky nail, I wanted to do something different, so I started to do like a 3D flower with white acrylic powder, and then in the center of the flowers I'm gonna add seashells. For the index nail, I added a silver seashell, and for the pinky nail, it's a gold spiral seashell. And those are just little thin, not too thick studs that you get in those little wheels when you buy your metal alloys things. You know what I mean. Finished look. You know how to bling it up. And for the woman and the man, I used those little flower spangles that were in this glitter mix, and for her I put it on her hair, and for him I put it like a lady necklace. And of course I used some gold caviar beads to create the necklace on him, and on her I put it like on her bikini top to give it some bedazzle, and I also drew a hat on him. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun design, and don't forget to go check out BeautyB Nails design. Her link will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one. I don't know if I'm gonna continue doing more summer designs. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these summer designs, and I'll keep on doing more. If you have ideas, if you want me to do something in specific, just leave it in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. bye.